Hey all, Demigod of Nails here with the 101 series, continuing strong. So we're going to jump right in. This is using your nail clippers 101. And right now, the first step to clipping nails, whether it be your own or a client's, is looking under to look at that hypernikium, see how high it is. And if it's high, see how much leadway. You see me with my finger getting under there and getting a feel for how much room I have and how I should get under there. So I'm going to go ahead and set up my clippers, flip that around to activate the spring. You see that wiggling? I'm wiggling under there, making sure that's okay. Ask the client, does it feel okay? And I start cutting in a circular motion. Even if you're going to do swear, it's going to be a less circular motion, but a circular motion nonetheless. That prevents injury, and you can clip the side walls accidentally. You can get that hypernikium, which is sort of similar to a quick in like cutting your cat's or dog's nails, and you want to prevent that. Clients don't like it, and you won't like it if you clip yourself. I'm sure you've done it, or even I've done it to myself multiple times rushing, but it's important to take your time as I'm doing here. If you have to go back in and clip a second time, clip a second time. And you want to make sure both sides are even, which is why I like to clip in a circular congruent motion, bringing it all together, taking my time, looking under as I go, looking, getting those angles, and being patient is really important with yourself, with your client, and with the nails you're working on. Next up, we're going to file up these bad boys, and it's important you must remember.
Do my nails and don't mess us up.
Very important, don't mess them up. See you next time.